When you're learning a language, you're constantly coming across new words, and you're constantly forgetting them. The good news is you can just save them to your extended brain, the word bank, and you'll see just how to do it today. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. What is the word bank? If you're learning with our system, Word Bank is kind of like your extended brain. It's where you can save words and phrases that you come across in our lessons with a click. All the words will be here in one spot for you to review later. So you're not just coming across new words and immediately forgetting them after. Because let's be honest, you will forget them if you never see them again, right? So you'll find the Word Bank in the vocabulary drop-down menu on the site. If you're using the app, it's right there on the dashboard. By the way, if you're not learning with our system, you should still consider getting something similar, where you can save new words for review later. How to save words and phrases to the word bank. So, here's how you can save words to your word bank. If you're taking a lesson, just head to the vocabulary section. Find the words you want to save and click Add to Word Bank. If you're on the core word lists or the free vocabulary lists, it's just as simple. Select the words, then click Add Selected Words and choose Word Bank. Anytime you come across a new word or one you want to remember, save it. Later, you can review it in the Word Bank. Listen to the audio pronunciation, check the translation, and even see related lessons where the word appears. And here's a handy feature. You can organize your entries with labels like adjectives, verbs, or phrases to keep everything neat and easy to find. Now, saving is only one step in the process. If you want to improve your language, you'll still need to master these words, which I'll talk about next. Easy ways to review vocabulary with the word bank. Sometimes a quick glance is all it takes to jog your memory. You can easily check the meaning of a word or listen to its audio pronunciation right in the word bank. If you're looking to really master those words, you can click Sync to Flashcard Deck. This creates a flashcard deck with your word bank entries, ready for study. If you want to create your own printable worksheets, just click Printer-Friendly Version and print out your word bank. And if you need a digital copy, you can export your word bank as a PDF, CSV, or even XML file. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.
How are your Hindi listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
एक आदमी अपनी महिला दोस्त की बेटी को लेने जा रहा है। उनकी बेटी कौन सी है? परेशानी के लिए माफ़ करना, लेकिन क्या तुम मेरी बेटी को लेने जा सकोगे?
जरूर। क्या वह मुझे पहचानती है?
हाँ, उसने तुम्हें तस्वीरों में देखा है, तो उसे तुम्हें पहचान लेना चाहिए।
ठीक है। वह कैसी दिखती है?
उसके काले और घुंघराले बाल हैं, वो पतली और बाकियों से लंबी है।
ठीक है। और कुछ?
वह कह रही थी कि जो टोपी मैंने पहले उसे लाकर दी थी, वह उसे पहनेगी। वह टोपी सफ़ेद है और उस पर एक काला रिबन लगा है।
पहचानने में आसान लगता है। ठीक है, मैं अभी उसे लेने जाता हूँ।
धन्यवाद। उनकी बेटी कौन सी है? एक आदमी अपनी महिला दोस्त की बेटी को लेने जा रहा है। उनकी बेटी कौन सी है? परेशानी के लिए माफ़ करना, लेकिन क्या तुम मेरी बेटी को लेने जा सकोगे?
जरूर। क्या वह मुझे पहचानती है?
हाँ, उसने तुम्हें तस्वीरों में देखा है, तो उसे तुम्हें पहचान लेना चाहिए।
ठीक है। वह कैसी दिखती है?
उसके काले और घुंघराले बाल हैं, वो पतली और बाकियों से लंबी है।
ठीक है। और कुछ?
वह कह रही थी कि जो टोपी मैंने पहले उसे लाकर दी थी, वह उसे पहनेगी। वह टोपी सफ़ेद है और उस पर एक काला रिबन लगा है।
पहचानने में आसान लगता है। ठीक है, मैं अभी उसे लेने जाता हूँ।
धन्यवाद।
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.
Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Hindi PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
हेलो एंड नमस्कार। स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल हिंदी पॉड 101 में। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल हिंदी पॉड 101। माय नेम इज आकांक्षा जैन। मेरा नाम है आकांक्षा जैन। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट इन इंडिया। वी विल एक्सप्लोर व्हाट दिस मंथ इज लाइक, द फेस्टिवल्स एंड द इवेंट्स सेलिब्रेटिंग ड्यूरिंग दिस मंथ, and what the weather like in August. But before we start, let me tell you, August is called Agast in Hindi. Agast. 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 Very similar to its English counterpart. Now, let's explore more about this fascinating month. August is a month of celebration in India, with several significant festivals that reflects the country's rich cultural diversity. Let's have a look at some prominent ones. Independence Day, celebrated on 15th of August, is the most important national holiday of India. Before proceeding, let me tell you, holiday is called Chutti in Hindi. Chutti. 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 And national holiday is called Rashtriya Chutti in Hindi. Rashtriya Chutti. Rashtriya Chutti. Rashtriya Chutti. On this day in 1947, India got independence from the British rule. The day is marked by flag hoisting ceremonies, patriotic songs, and cultural events across the country. The main event takes place at the Red Fort in Delhi, where the Prime Minister hoists the national flag and addresses the nation. In Hindi, Independence Day is called Swatantrata Divas. Swatantrata Divas. Swatantrata Divas, where Swatantrata means independence and Divas means day. Raksha Bandhan is a beautiful festival that celebrates the bonds between brothers and sisters. It usually falls in the month of August on the full moon day of Shravan month. Shravan. 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 On this day, sisters tie a rakhi, the sacred thread, on their brother's wrist, praying for their well-being, and brother promises to protect their sisters. The word Raksha Bandhan is made up of two Hindi words. First is Raksha, which means protect. Raksha. 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 And the other is Bandhan, which means bond. Bandhan. 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 Janmashtami celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna, one of the most revered deities in Hinduism. This festival also falls usually in August. Devotees observe fasting called Upvas in Hindi. Upvas. 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 Chants hymns called Bhajan in Hindi. Bhajan. 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 And participates in dramatic enactment of life of Sri Krishna's called Ras Leela. Ras Leela. Ras Leela. The celebration often lasts until midnight, believed to be the hour of Krishna's birth. Janmashtami is also made up of two Hindi words. Janm and Ashtami, where Janm means birth. Janm, Janm, Janm. And Ashtami means 8th day of the lunar month. Ashtami, Ashtami, Ashtami. Onam is the biggest festival in the southern state of Kerala, usually celebrated in the month of August and September. It marks the homecoming of the great king Mahabali. The festival is known for its grand feast, traditional music and dance, and the famous snake boat race. Now let's talk about the weather in August. But first, what we call weather in Hindi. It is called Mausam. 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 And temperature is called Tapman in Hindi. Tapman. 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 August is the part of monsoon season in India, which means it is the time for heavy rains, lush greenery, and cooler temperatures as compared to the hot, humid months of summer. The weather in India mostly varies depending upon the region. Let's begin from the northern region of India. In the northern plains, including cities like Delhi, the weather is a mix of humid days and rainy spells. Daytime temperature ranges from 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. The monsoon rains can be quite heavy, leading to occasional waterlogging in urban areas. In the western India, including Mumbai and Gujarat, the monsoon is in full swing. Mumbai, known for its heavy rains, experiences cooler weather with temperatures ranging from 24 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The coastal regions are particularly pleasant, though the humidity remains high. Going eastward, including Kolkata and the northeastern states, the monsoon brings heavy rainfall and occasional thunderstorms. Temperatures range from 26 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. The region is lush and green during this time, making it a beautiful place to visit. On the southern side of India, including Kerala and Tamil Nadu, the weather is slightly different. While Kerala continues to receive rainfall, Tamil Nadu experiences less rain in August. Temperatures in the south range from 25 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius with pleasant mornings and evenings. Now let's have a look at the highest and lowest temperature with average rainfall in 4 major cities of India. So the weather in India in August remains hot and rainy. August is not a peak tourist season in India due to the monsoon rains, but it is a great time to explore the country without the crowds. The off-season means you can get the great deals on the accommodations and flights. However, if you're traveling, especially in the monsoon-prone area, you should pack accordingly. If you're determined to travel in India in August, you should prepare some thin, breathable, and quick-dry clothes, casual shoes, and rain gears like umbrella, raincoat, and rain boots. Also, your footwear should be waterproof. By the way, don't forget to bring the sunscreen and the sun hat. Also carry insect repellent because rainy season brings out more bugs. And keep your electronics and other valuables safe from rain. August might be rainy, but it is also the best time to experience natural beauty of India. Here are some top recommended destinations if you are here in August. Known as God's own country, Kerala is stunning in August. The backwaters, lush landscapes, and serene beaches makes it an ideal destination in the monsoon. If you want to escape the monsoon, head to Leh Ladakh in north. August is the perfect time to explore the barren beauty, beautiful monasteries, and high altitude lakes. Often referred to as Scotland of India, Coorg in Karnataka is a picturesque hill station with coffee plantation, misty hills, and beautiful waterfalls. The city of lakes, Udaipur in Rajasthan, is a beautiful place to visit in monsoon. The rain adds a romantic touch to its lakes and palaces. Jodhpur receives around 86 mm rainfall in August. Compared to most other cities in India, it is one of the least rainy cities, so it is particularly suitable to visit in August. Climb up to the Mehrangarh Fort and you will get a full view of this blue city. Spend some time in the fort's museum where you'll find some interesting weapons, traditional costumes and paintings. Located in Uttarakhand, this valley of flowers is in full bloom in August, making it a paradise for nature lovers and trekkers. Pondicherry in Tamil Nadu is less affected by the southwest monsoon. It is a good place to avoid the heavy rains in August. Pondicherry is deeply influenced by the French culture, especially the architecture there. Visit the city of Auroville that is designed by a French architect. It is an attempt for promoting global unity. You can also see the spectacular rock sculptures and monuments. Apart from the festivals, August in India also sees some interesting events that attracts both locals and tourists. I recommend to visit these large-scale events that take place in India in August. Held in backwaters of Alleppey, Kerala, this boat race is one of the most famous events during the monsoon. The sight of snake boats gliding through the waters, cheered by hundreds of spectators, is an unforgettable experience. Across the country, you can witness parades, cultural performances, and flag hoisting ceremonies on 15th August. The grandest of celebration takes place at Red Fort in Delhi. So that's all about August in India. Whether you're looking to experience vibrant festivals, explore lush greeneries, or simply enjoy the cooler weather, August is a great time to visit India. If you want to learn Hindi and learn in the fastest, easiest, and most fun way, head to hindipod101.com and sign up for a free lifetime account. Dhanyavad. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe for more great content like this. Alvida, bye-bye.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets. Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. First up, 30 antonyms you must know. Want to double your vocabulary? Learn how to say young and old, hot and cold, and much more. You'll pick up over 30 words with this vocab bonus. Second, Travel Like a Boss PDF cheat sheet. If you're learning the language but don't know these basic travel phrases inside, what have you been doing? Download this bonus cheat sheet right now to fix that. Third, 20 small talk phrases that make you sound fluent. Chatting with native speakers would be easy if you bothered to learn these useful phrases. So access this 1-minute small talk phrases lesson now. Fourth, 10 phrases to amaze native speakers. This lesson teaches you even more phrases that make you sound fluent and will impress native speakers. What are they? You'll find out inside. And last but not least, tired of apps that only teach you random words? Want an app that teaches you the language through everyday conversations? With innovative language learning, you're exposed to real conversations between real native speakers, and then get everything slowed down and explained so you can learn the language fast. Download it for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below. And download them now, before they expire. Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.